Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're not a part of the Elegance family, we would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are showing you how to put together a very luxurious, lavished centerpiece for a baby shower or a gender reveal. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. First off, we are spraying 2 mini pots that we purchased from the 99-cent store, and we are spraying it in the color Ballet Slipper, and it's by Krylon. Since these pots were already white when we purchased them, we are going over it with 1 coat of the Ballet Slipper. For this first DIY, you will need 2 bunches of mini roses, 4-inch teddy bear, 4-inch styrofoam ball, ribbon, a plastic pacifier, a baby rattler, 1 tiny satin rosebud, a little crystal diamond, a tiny paper onesie, scissors, and a glue gun. All materials that we're using will be listed in the description bar below this video. For this next DIY, you will need a 4-inch pot, a 3-inch wood stick, 2.5 dozen of mini paper roses, a bag of white rocks, ribbon, a paperback teddy bear, and 2 3-inch styrofoam balls. All materials that we are using will be listed in the description bar below this video. This styrofoam ball that we are using was from a previous DIY that we did on our channel, and we will link the video down below just in case you would like to make this ball. So this does complete our tutorial for today, and if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel or joined the Elegance family, we would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.